Hello everyone, welcome back to Unit Data Analytics. Today we will be diving into the basics of Power BI, focusing on very first step, getting data in Power BI. If you have just started with the Power BI, or even if you are a pro looking for a quick refresher, this video is for you. Alright, so you have opened the Power BI. Now you might be wondering, how do I pull my data? So start by going to Home tab, click on Get Data. You can see Power BI gives you tons of options. Under a file, you can get your data from file format like Excel, CSV, JSON, TXT. You can connect to databases like SQL Server, Snowflake, and many others. You can get data from online services like Google Analytics, SharePoint. So as we have explored number of options to get data in Power BI, let me know in comments below which data sources you use the most. For this video, let's see how we can pull data from Excel and basic Power Query steps. So we will be pulling our data from Superstore Excel file. Select the Excel file and Power BI will show you navigator window with all the sheets in a file. Alright, we will be bringing data from all three sheets, which are orders, return and user. Quickly look for if column headers are correctly picked. As you can see, users header are not correctly picked. Let's click on transform data. It will take us to the Power Query window. We will quickly check if data types of columns are correct. As we can see, IDs columns are picked as a numeric. We will set them as a text to avoid the unnecessary numerical manipulation while using in visuals and preserve the formatting like leading zeros. We will check for the same in other tables as well. In users table, we can see column headers are not right. First row should have been column header. We can set this right using the first row as a header. Let's click on close and apply to exit the Power Query. Here you go. You have bring the data from the Excel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for other tutorials from Power BI Basic series.